But yeah, I mean, I like it a lot, and don't be surprised if you see this in a lot more videos to come. I'm just saying, don't be surprised. And if you see it, you know exactly where I got it from, Beautyforever. Now I kind of want to do a little bit of a different style, but I like this side part so much. It does come with built-in adjustable straps, but it also comes with a removable strap here. And the removable strap is also adjustable, so you don't necessarily have to take it off. You can just adjust it. This wig does come with a C shape to fit nicely around the ears. I do like how this anti-slip band is a lot. Normally wigs have it like just on the back, but I like how this is like basically from temple to temple, so it goes all the way around. She feels real good. It's 180 density, and I do believe this is a 24 inch. I missed a part. I just missed a little section right there and up here. I love wigs. Tree love the kids. T love the wigs. Oh yes, baby. Oh yes, honey. It's the fact that I can put my hair behind my ears. This reminds me of a quick weave with the closure. It is melted into my skin. Look at that. Look, I have not melted this at all. There is literally no need to melt. It melts into the skin. This is glueless. Now the question is, do I want to do a middle part? Probably not, because I look a little crazy. If you are new here, y'all have never seen any of my wig reviews or anything, y'all know I'm afraid of the hot comb. So I'm going to part where I want it to be, and I'm going to actually put her on my mannequin head and use the hot comb on my mannequin head. Yeah, she is flat, okay? She is flat. Should I trim her? I'm gonna put it to the front. Y'all let me know if I should trim her. I don't know why I be asking these questions. Like, y'all gonna give me these immediate answers. Like, make it make sense, Shartia. Make it make sense. Like, I like the long, sleek look. The, like, no layer look. But if anything, I'll probably just, like, even her out. I kind of want to just layer her in the front just a little bit, because she's already kind of on the thin side. So I just want just a little bit of face shaping. I want to go ahead and define her a little more, kind of make her look a little more prominent by adding concealer. I gotta do the best with what I got. Y'all, this looks so freaking good. She is long. I am 6 inch, I'm 5'6", so this is where she lands on me. The hair is very soft. It is very, just like, it's bomb. It's bomb, okay? It is super bomb. Now, I do want to say something about the lace area, like the parting, because like where I parted, not the middle part, but like the side parts, wherever I was parting in the actual lace area, it's not 24 inches fully through. Like, it's short hairs, and I have yet to find a wig that has like full hair, like long hair in the lace area, and not like short pieces. I have yet to find that wig, and I don't know if that's normal, but that's something that I always notice, and that's something that I've noticed with this wig too. Granted, she is completely glueless. Like, I didn't even need to use mousse. It's completely glueless. Like, no type of like adhesive or nothing that's on the lace. And that's one of the good things about HD lace. Like, it melts into your skin. It melts into your skin with minimum effort. And that's what I like about HD lace. I didn't put any like serum on it. So I think that when I was flat ironing it, I did notice a little bit of like static almost. And I think that happens when the hair is like dry. Because when I iron my hair and I comb through it, hair start to like lift. So I don't necessarily think it's the wig itself. It could just be because I didn't put any serum on it. I really like how this turned out. Like I said, this is definitely going to be a everyday type of wig, pop on and go. I've already styled her. I don't see me wearing her in the middle part. Normally, I'm a middle part girly. But with this unit, I decided to do a side part because of my help me twist underneath was you know, acting up. So I did side part today, and I'm glad I did, because I think this looks a little more elevated. You know, it looks more sleek to me. What do you guys think? Are you guys team middle part or team side part? I feel like I always have this discussion. because it's always relevant. It is always relevant. And I always need to know because there's always somebody in the comments that's new here. So welcome, welcome, welcome. I think this just looks super natural. It's spring and summer. And when it comes to the spring and summer season, minimum makeup, minimum hairstyles, and the fact that this is just like, it doesn't feel hot. It doesn't feel like I have a cap on my head. Like, it doesn't feel like it's just like heat just gonna be trapped. It feels very light, very airy. So I do say this is a good wig for the springtime. Y'all know the type of girly I am. I am a very minimalistic girl when it comes to like my appearance, okay? I don't ever do too much, right? Like the girls say, very demure, you know? I don't do too much. Very cutesy, very simple, okay? It's elevated. It almost gives me kind of like a rich girl, pretty girl vibe, very clean vibe, and I like it. And that's who I am. You know, normally I wear my natural hair. I don't even wear makeup. So right now I'm rocking a no makeup look, no lashes, just eyebrows, a little bit of foundation, bronzer. So I'm not doing a lot today. And this hairstyle is perfect for those of you who don't necessarily want to do too much. But at the same time, like with the length itself, it is 24 inches, okay? And it's giving, here I am, once again. You're about to be torn into pieces because, bitch, I'm here. I mean, that's all I can say. I spent more time styling the unit than prepping the unit. Like the hair came pre-plucked, pre-bleached. The lace is already pre-cut. The only thing I needed to do was basically style her, and it didn't really take too much effort to style. Like I said, the only issue that I saw was that in the parting area, there's like short hair. So it's not fully like long and 24 or 18 inches. It's short pieces. But it's nothing, a little bit of, you know, wax, a little wax stick, you know, go over the little short pieces, make sure it flattens, or even a little bit of mousse or serum. Can't fix.